Them slick girls get me every time. Them slick girls could get every time. Them slick girls get me.
I was good on my own, that's the way it was. That's the way it was. You was good on the low for a faded fuck. I'm so faded love. Shit, what the fuck you complaining for? Feeling jaded up. Used to trip off that shit I was kicking to you. Had some fun on the run, though I give it to you. But baby, don't get it twisted. You was just another nigga on the hit list. Tryna fix it in the issues with a bad bitch. Didn't they tell you that I was a savage? Fuck your white horse and a carriage. But you never could imagine. Never thought you could have it. You needed me. Ooh, you needed me.
Alright, so I'm at school and like let me just tell y'all my dilemma. Like I didn't want to vlog on campus because I didn't want people to see where I go to school at. But like I'm pretty sure by the time my channel blow up I won't be here no more. But like I don't know. Okay, so anyway, I'm on my way to go get my school ID because I don't have one. Because like I said, like I wasn't on campus, so I didn't need a school ID. Like I wasn't using no school ID for nothing. But I don't know where I'm going because I literally go on campus for one class and then that's it. Like that's why I was kind of like holding back on this video because I want to do like a full day in the life on like at school with me, whatever. But like I'd be at school for literally 3 hours in one class, and it's a science class and we be doing labs and stuff, so it's not like y'all really seeing something because I'm not moving nowhere or walking or anything.
Brianna? Is everything correct?
Oh my god, she has the same name as me. Y'all, I thought he was calling me because the girl that was taking her ID picture, her name was Brianna. And he was like, oh, Brianna. And I'm like, I look like, oh, like, how you know my name? Like, how you know I'm standing here? But like, no, she got the same name as me.
You here for the ID too?
Yeah.
Alright, just do the same. Just sign my name. And wait. Alright, look into my camera, bro. Whatever pose you like, hold it on 3. 1, 2, 3. Hold it.
I got the pen.
Alright, relax. You can wait for it on the side. Brianna, is that how you say?
Yeah.
Alright. Let me see. What was it? What's your date of birth?
August 29th.
I got it. You can just go sit right there.
Okay.
Put down your stuff. You want to protect it? Because the smile is good, it's just you're looking the other way.
Oh yeah, that's for sure. So should I look?
Everything correct?
Yes.
There you go.
Thank you. Hey man, listen. We not finna talk about this picture. Let me see. Ew, my neck looks so long. This is ugly. I'm not finna show y'all. This is sick. I'm not. Ew. Oh well. Oh freaking well, at least I got an ID now. Because where am I going? I think it's my building right here. But anyway, so let me tell y'all. Okay, so I went to the Apple store the other day, and by the way, I'm early for my class, so I'm just gonna sit here and talk to y'all. But I went to the Apple store like 2 days ago to go get some more AirPods because I left mine in Egypt. But I went to the store, whatever, and I wanted to go get the same ones. I didn't want the 3rd generation or the, I'm gonna just walk. I didn't want the 3rd generation. And when I went up there, he was like, oh, do you have a student ID, whatever, because I guess, you know, you get money off, whatever. But it only took off like $10, so that was really nothing, like. But anyway, and I didn't have one, so I was like, okay, so now will be my time to go get one, because you just never know. So, and he gave me they sold me the wrong freaking AirPods, and we paid, well, I said my mom had paid $150 for or whatever, as if it was like, you know, the 2nd generation. And when I get home, and I had them for like 2 days, and I finally started to use them because my Beats had died, y'all, that mess was not the same one I had. It was the 1st generation, and I'm like, I said, Mom, we gotta go back to the store because this is not what I ordered. This is not what I wanted. I said I want the same ones I got last time. And so yeah, so they gave me the wrong AirPods. They gave me the 1st generation when I asked for the 2nd. So we gotta go do that. Let me see. Yeah, I ain't got nothing to do. Like, it's 8:30. My class starts at 9 o'clock. And yeah, everybody here just sitting down. Did I tell you I'm hungry? Like, so this is my dilemma, okay? I have to leave my house at like 7:45 because my class starts at 9 o'clock. But the thing is, the time my class starts is also the time my brother has to be at school. So I have to get dropped off super early so then they can go back. So my mom and my brother can go back to school so he can make it on time. So like if I wanted to eat breakfast or something, I would have to wake up like, let me see, I think I got up like at 7 o'clock. So I would have to wake up like at 6 something. And that means it's gonna be like, I'll have to start going to sleep early and stuff like that so I can be up in time for school and so I can make me something to eat. I don't have a tripod no more because I left it. I lost it somewhere in the airport, whatever. But now I'm sitting here like I'm recording this, but I'm holding the camera, and this camera is freaking heavy. So like if I was to do like a spend the day with me at school, whatever, like I'm not going to do that because I'm going to hold the camera all freaking day instead of like setting it places because I don't have a tripod. So the struggle is very much real. But yeah, and California, I don't know what's wrong, but we've been having really, really strong heat waves lately. Like I think yesterday it was like 100 or something degrees, but like today it claims it's 74 degrees, well at least for the city I'm at, but it's still too hot. Like, girl or boy, whoever watching this, we were driving with the windows down because she didn't want to turn on the AC, and no wind. It was absolutely nothing. Not even that, like nothing. But anyway, I'm gonna see y'all when I go in class. My class starts at 9, but I go in there a little early, and then I'm gonna catch up with y'all.
Right here. So this wave here is coming down, it hits the outer core, and it bounces off of it. So that is being reflected. Whereas if we look at this wave right here, as it goes through and it enters that that outer core, it bends a little bit, it changes its angle just a little bit.
Like, my mom has these things that hang from a window, like the light will hit a rainbow will shoot somewhere. Is that refracting?
So yeah, so that's refracting into the different colors of the spectrum, yeah.
Alright, so that's the end of this vlog. It's actually Thursday right now, and I just got out of school like a few hours ago. Well, actually like just 1 hour ago. But anyway, I forgot to close out the vlog from Tuesday. But thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe, and make sure you tune in to next week's video. Bye!